So guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. Welcome guys, welcome to this dance tutorial. So if you long I upload the video, I've been busy though and a little bit lazy guys, so forgive me for that. Now let's dive right into this dance tutorial. So in case you're new here, my name is Teoluckzboom and I do dance tutorial and dance challenges for you guys. In case you like this video, kindly like this channel, subscribe to the channel guys, share to your friends and family guys, and I'll see you guys in my next screen. So the first step is that when you back, I will let them say. So the first thing is you hit your back. So you hit by turning to your right hand side. So by turning your right leg is going to the back, your hands going behind your neck. So it's listen guys. When you back then say listen guys. Let's go 5, 6, 7, 8. I will let them say you listen guys, first step. So 1, 2, 3, go. I go. Let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, go. Yes. I will let them say you gave me sign. Once you hit the back, let's use to do 1, 2. Listen guys. 1, 2. So it's hit 1, 2. So when you are using your right hand to touch your lips, you go to your side. So it's 1, 2. So it's hit 1, 2. You really say, but yeah, then you see, and you didn't. Listen, guys, we're going to start 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, then you see, and you didn't. Listen, guys. Right, let's go on to be 5, 6. And then you see, and you see, guys, it's an easy dance tutorial. So let's go. Next step. Now, the next step in this challenge is what you do. Hit side, side. You go 1, 2. So I've taught this in my previous videos. It's like you raising something up with your 2 hands. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Coming out. So let's go. So it's up, down, up, down. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. I think guys. So it's you hit side, side, 1, 2. I think guys. Let's go from start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit side, side, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice guys, just count 4. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 1, 2. Sorry. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. So it's 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Listen guys, let's go start. 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, how you do this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you do that, let's do this to go to your side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go from south. You can see this move. I think guys. So that's dance tutorial. Let's do one more time when we start. If you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe down below for me guys. Kindly subscribe down below, like this video for me. Now let's have to tutorial once more. Once more guys, go 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So guys, that is the tutorial for this challenge. In case you like this channel, kindly subscribe down below for me. like this video, comment what dance tutorial I want to do for you guys, and don't forget to watch the videos over here, guys. Watch the videos over here. Let's do this dance tutorial one more time. 5, 6, 7 together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So guys, don't forget to watch the video over here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.